Hello America, welcome back to Hustle House Performance Automotive, or as she likes to call it,
the place where all our dreams came true.
and a lot of my nightmares came to reality. Today, in the spirit with the Valentine's Day season, where people will buy people that probably don't care a whole lot for them, stuff that they can't afford. So today what we have for you is the story of how Mrs. Hustle House Performance Automotive and myself met. And it has a lot to do with this majestic 1641 Cub Cadet before your eyes. So stay tuned, we'll tell you all about it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I know what you're thinking. What could he possibly be working on with this thing? It looks like it's brand new. I mean, there's nary a mark on it, all right? Believe it or not, it needs a belt on it. I was blowing snow with it last year, and I picked up a bowling ball that was mysteriously out in the middle of the parking lot for whatever reason, and I burnt the belt up on it. So we went out to Rural King and got the cheapest belt money could buy. I'm gonna throw it on here and try to get it running as we tell the story of how we met. This thing undone here. There we go. All right, well, I've never put a belt on this thing. The belt was pretty much wound on it when we got it. All I had to do was hook it to the engine and off we went. So probably have to lay down in the grit and figure this out. Got this little shield here, a little finger saver, 10,000. So take that off. Who needs a ratchet when you can take longer with a wrench? And run it on up in here. That'd be step one, right? Oh my. No. This thing has a thing that won't let you do what I want to do up in here. It's got to feel good. Yeah?
You know it's going to make you take it all the way apart.
Yeah.
A little bit of it.
Yep. You know, pain, despair, and agony on me.
Despair and agony on me.
Well, let me take the other bolt off, I guess. Hey, whatever happened to 5-minute jobs, you know? Is there such a thing anymore?
Well, while he's doing that for 45 minutes with that long, huge bolt that's in there, I guess I'll do a little walk around of how beautiful she is and, you know, how antique she looks. I listed this little guy in February on the 7th of 2018, right near Valentine's Day, on Let Go. And that handsome man right there is the one that answered the ad. He decided she was cute enough and she was good enough for what he needed, so he decided he wanted to take her home. And I was happy because she was out of the garage and I was on the new projects. But all this little stuff right there has been in the past years. Okay, she might have lost a little bit of weight reduction and stuff, but that's how she goes. How you doing up there, love?
Anybody want to take bets on whether or not this thing is back on or not? Place your bet in the comment below. My butt cracks. I can feel it's cold. It's not on camera, is it? But here. Yep. Right. Sometimes you just got to get down in there, you know?
And as I was saying, while he's still doing all the hard work while I get to walk around and do nothing, Valentine's Day rolled around and I got flowers, chocolates, and a poem on a nice little card. But I had no clue where it came from until I opened it up. And there, my surprise, that man. Didn't even know me. 7 days later, boom. Such a sweet guy. I know. All sweet and loving on everything. But since we've had her, he's kind of took my casings off of the Craftsman 500 GT outside. And I don't know where you got these lovely fat wheel weights at. I can't remember what vehicle you took, or tractor you took those off of, do you?
Didn't tell the neighbor, but you know where they came from.
Oh, that guy's eventually gonna like come after you. But they made it look so much better because it matches the front, and he loves it, so. The only thing we bought for this little guy was this lovely fat snowblower in the front. And I think you got that for what, honey?
$75.
He's so cheap. I love that.
How did he get stuck in there?
He managed to mount her onto this little device, and it works. I'll be damned. But that's how we met. That's how we got together.
You pizza.
So we call her a Valentine's Day Golden Egg Special.
Like that.
Kid friendly, honey.
Like that with me. I mean, shouldn't be hard, should it? I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna tell you right now. It's not going to do me like anything else around here. Oh, I got that back in. This ain't gonna work. This is wrong. What a mistake. Now it's stuck forever. Yay.
He really secretly loves this thing, guys.
Oh,
This tractor's the best.
oh, that's short.
Got videos of him freezing out in the snow playing with it just because he didn't want to come in. That's how much he loves her. Right, honey?
Love is in the air. He's in love. It's got a little thing to make it not fall off there, but now it won't let it fall on either. Okay. What am I going to do with that?
Doing so I can see what your fuss is all about.
Why do I want to do that? I mean, you don't want to make me angry. I'll tell you that right now.
How about that?
How about that? Mercy. Well, got the right on my tongue sticking out.
Got her that time?
I think I heard her begging for mercy. Or not. I'm nowhere near getting this one here yet. All you gotta do is just follow past that pin and we can go home. Don't you wanna go home?
Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
Gee. Whose idea was this? Is there a bigger bar around here I can jam in there?
What was that?
I don't know. I see nothing. Come on, brother. Oh, you're gonna be so proud of me.
Too late.
I think I figured it out.
Oh, no way.
I think I know how it goes now.
What is that, like a adjustable, like, idler pulley?
I just found the Rosetta Stone and like the whole world opened up to me when I took that bolt off.
Like a tensioner pulley.
Well, how's it so tight? Tell me it's too short. Nope, I'm not believing it. Looked it up myself on the internet. Okay, see, you knew how it went all along, honey. Didn't have me fooled for a second. Okay, I seen stuff flying everywhere. I think one of the things flying was that clip there. Have you seen a clip laying around anywhere?
Maybe hit the floor.
heard it.
So there it is. There you go.
I'll raise you one. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Save the day. Again. Well, nothing left to do but fire it up and engage it. And once the belt knocked the wind out of the GTX, what do you think?
I think you better do it so I don't get the blame for that.
All right, then. Stand clear, sweet Mama. It's about to go down. She's a runner. Did we just fix something, honey?
Yes, you did.
Did we actually accomplish something here in this garage
Mm-hmm.
for the first time in our lives? Man, what have I been feeling?
Does this mean I gotta take you out to eat?
Yeah, I need fed, and I need it now. Okay, guys, we weren't lying. She's just a short little video, but we had to put a belt on this thing anyway, and it's close to Valentine's Day, and it is a true story about the tractor, so pretty fitting.
Yeah. Short and sweet, but she's done.
To the point. So listen, guys, if your wife ever gives you trouble about being on face space or whatever,
Let go.
let go, any of them things, don't tell her this story, because she'll think you're on there trying to like buy mowers off of hot women and trying to like, you know,
Meet
pick up more than lawn maintenance. You know what I'm saying? I, for one, am no longer allowed to let go.
I caught him. He's mine. I snagged him.
Lucky you.
Yes, that's very true.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe, because we need all the help we can get. See you on the next one.
And happy Valentine's Day.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.